We've just finished the EMBO Workshop on bridging cells and planetary scales to harness climate resilience, and it was really a fantastic meeting. I'm really happy with the outcome of the meeting. We had many different stakeholders, the scientists, the funders, the editors of journals, all discussing how we can nucleate and expand this new field that we all feel that there is a need for.
Climate change and how to address it and how to understand that it's really one of the big pillars of diversity, equity and inclusion in this sustainability front. So we at Merck, we believe really that it's possible to also contribute with science and innovation to make the world a better place to live. So meetings like this are always a matter of support for us at Merck.
One of the big takeaways that I want to mention from this meeting is that we are a group of researchers representing many different fields and disciplines, with some of us focused on really how to mitigate the effects of climate change now, and others of us focused on really curiosity-driven research that may be able to provide some of those solutions for the future. And I think that both types of science are really essential for solving this really important problem.